Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Cuisinart AirFryer oven not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Cuisinart AirFryer here and it's not working properly, well, in this case, there is something you could actually try here. So the first thing that you could do here is to basically power cycle the actual device. So by the way, we actually found the solutions that I'll be showing you from a thread here. So we found the solution from this specific website here. So in this case, one of the users actually tried power cycling it. So what you need to do is you just need to turn it off and basically unplug it from any power source. So leave it like for example for a few minutes or even an hour, and once the time is up, you could go ahead and plug it back in and see if that solves the issue. But one user actually tried something very specific here. So according to him, he or her is they held the function knob here for about like 3:30, a little past where the it naturally stops. Then what you need to do is you just need to do it again or try it again until the power light flicker. In this case, the power light flickered for them and turned on and stayed on. Now, according to this user, it works normally, how it should be. Now, in this case, you go ahead and try those things. But if none of those work, you can actually go to their official website here, which in this case, if you're in the Philippines, is going to be cuisinart.ph. And you just need to go to support. And from here, you should be able to go to your warranty, or you could go and click on contact us. But you could also see the following numbers here that you could call specifically for their customer service on the following days. So you could go ahead and call them, ask for any assistance. So if it's still under warranty, you should be able to get the service for free. But if you're eligible for a replacement, maybe you could get a replacement for this one. But yeah, so just contact them, and hopefully they will be able to assist you on this one, because this one is kind of tricky, especially we're dealing with a appliance here, so you don't want to break it further. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.